Hello, it's Harry from Williams Crawford. It's a nice sunny day and I decided I should go and see what the sales team would choose if they were to pick any free cars from the showroom. So today I'm going to ask Ross, I'm going to ask Andy and maybe some other people just to see what they'd pick out from our showroom if they could have absolutely anything. So Ross, what would be your first pick of the three if you could have any car in the showroom?
Okay, so car number one would be this rather nice 991 Carrera T, finished in jet black metallic. Love this, really stealthy looking thing. Got the black leather with the yellow contrast stitch, and I always love an Alcantara steering wheel. So it's just a lovely car, to be honest with you. 370 brake horsepower, 3 litre. What's not to like?
Yeah, absolutely. Carrera T's are brilliant driver's cars, lighter weight than the normal Carrera, but still with the base engine, so you can enjoy all of the power it offers on the road and not break any laws. So Ross, what's your next choice?
Okay, so a little bit of family still with having amazing performance. I'd go for this Macan GTS. So this is 434 brake horsepower, finished in stunning carmine red, black contrast wheels, black interior with crayon stitch, panoramic roof. I just think it's got absolutely everything for somebody who's looking for practicality but still to maintain their performance roots.
Absolutely.
So that would be very much my choice.
Definitely. And yeah, carmine red looks absolutely amazing on these. All the comfort and luxury you could ever want. Absolutely brilliant spec as well. Another great choice from Ross. And your third and final car today?
Okay, so I'm always a sucker for a Gen 2 997. So 997, finished in stunning Carrera white, got the black contrast wheels, full black leather interior. Now this car, I believe, has only done 34,000 miles. So really, really super low mileage, great condition car. And obviously this is producing 408 brake horsepower as well. So you've got the best of everything, I think.
Yeah, absolutely. Everybody loves the 997. And this GTS version is just an absolute dream. 3 great choices from Ross today.
Thank you.
So now I'm here with Andy. Andy, what would be your first pick if you could have any free cars in the showroom?
First car I would pick, and it's always been one of my favourite Porsches, Cayman R. So very rare, possibly undervalued, mid-engined, very engaging, very mechanical, lightweight, small in size. For the roads that I would use it on, it would just suit me and to use it every day. I've had a Cayman S before, and the logical upgrade then would be to the Cayman R.
Perfect.
Yeah, one of my favourite cars in the whole range.
Absolutely gorgeous in peridot green as well.
Yeah, launch colour.
Lovely colour, yeah.
Yeah, we love that.
And your next car would be?
Second choice, which I've only just decided on because it literally arrived in the showroom about 10 minutes ago. Absolutely gorgeous yellow 997.2 GTS. So more power, more performance, more theatre, more noise. I love the Alcantara and the interior. That would be perfect everyday usable Porsche, but so special in the yellow. Would you ever see another one? Probably not.
No, I think you're right. Absolutely lovely colour. Yep. So I can't help but notice that you've broken the rules a bit by going out of the showroom, but
Yeah.
What's your third car selection?
So again, another new arrival, mid-engined again, a bit of a theme here. My first Porsche was a Boxster. This to me is the best looking of all the Porsches. So this is a 718 GTS again. So we're talking 360 horsepower from a mid-engined Boxster. Beautiful in carmine red, again the Alcantara, sports exhaust, slightly lowered, more power. Boxsters and Caymans for me, just a wonderful place to be. Perfect touring car, boot at the front, boot at the rear, or use it every day. Just really special.
No, perfect, yeah. And another great colour, carmine red. So it's got some really nice colour choices on your cars today.
Done a bit of a traffic light really,
yeah.
Yellow, green and red. But yeah, those 3 would be my choices today, but that'll change again next week.
Oh yeah, definitely. All right, perfect, thank you.
No problem.
So that's everything the sales team would pick from the showroom. If you have any different opinions, go to our showroom online, see what we have in here, and let us know in the comments what you pick if you could have any 3 of our cars. Thank you for watching. See you later.